Hey guys, this is Josh at Norfolk Aircraft Interiors. Here I have Cirrus SR22 G2 that we're going to be working on. This is the next plane in line to get its interior redone. The seats in here, we're going to be reupholstering them. New leather and new foam, which will all meet FAA requirements. And then we're also going to be reupholstering the panels on the inside and the center console.
Very nice. Look forward to it.
Hey guys, Josh at Norfolk Aircraft Interiors here. I'm in the SR22 G2 2006. We're going to be reupholstering all the seats in this aircraft. Take a look at the passenger seat here. You can see it's all wrinkled out from the aging and everything. Another thing, in the original Cirrus seats, what they did was they had 3 layers of memory foam in here, which caused it to be pretty stiff. It's very uncomfortable to sit on. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add a more comfortable foam that is FAA rated and everything for fire testing standards. Another thing we're going to do is the dash here, the bezels and things. We're going to fix up stuff like that, any cracks and stuff. Back here, the dash is cracked. We're either going to replace it if we can't fix it. Another thing is we're going to be reupholstering the center console here as well. You can see it's all wrinkled out from the aging. And another thing we're going to do is we're going to add new carpet to this aircraft. Other than that, you guys have a great rest of your day and stay tuned for the updates.